Money makes the world go round. Liza Minnelli. It's definitely true. Money is important. It is something that we all need to live our lives, whether for a car, house, food, or clothes. We all need money. But how do you get it? Making money is the goal for almost all of us, to pay off a debt, give us more time with our families, or have some fun. Sometimes it can feel like a huge mountain you must climb before getting there. It's easy to feel like every dollar you earn goes immediately into paying off bills and other responsibilities. It's not always easy to know how to make money and keep it coming in so that you can cover your bills and still have money left over for yourself and your family. Here are some ways you can earn money. Number 1. Create an Etsy shop. Some people are naturally crafty, but the good news is that the internet has made it possible to monetize this skill. Using online marketplaces such as Etsy can help you take your arts and crafts hobby to the next level as a source of real income. Create an Etsy shop and design your pieces in any way you see fit. Sell them worldwide to thousands of customers searching for unique handcrafted items. Not a crafty person? Listing vintage goods is also an option. Many people have items from the past that are valuable and can be sold. You must list it if you're lucky enough to have something like a rare comic book or an antique watch. If there's someone out there looking for something that you're selling, they'll place an order, and you can sell without ever having to get there. Selling on Etsy is easy. All you have to do is list things people are looking for and you're good to go. Number 2. Be an Amazon seller or dropshipper. Amazon is more than just a platform to shop. It's also a place where you can sell almost anything. You can sell things on Amazon to make money without buying a lot of inventory. You can even experiment with drop shipping. It allows you to list things on your site that you do not currently have. As a result, there is no actual inventory to maintain. Customers shop from your Amazon store and you place an order with the manufacturer, who ships the items directly to your customers. Dropshipping is an excellent strategy for new sellers who want to test the waters without investing too much money. It also allows you to target niche markets that may not have a lot of competition or sell products that are difficult to find in local stores. The approach to making money here is by marking up the price slightly. For example, if you were to sell a plastic cutting board that normally costs $10 from the manufacturer, you might mark it up to $15 and take a cut of that extra revenue. Before determining the price, you should also consider the additional costs of delivery or inventory management. The key to success is to carefully choose products that are frequently purchased. It is also important that you have a reliable manufacturer who can deliver on time and at a reasonable price. Number 3. Share your expertise. Have you ever wished you could make money doing something you love? Well, it turns out you can. Sharing your expertise with others is a great way to generate income if you have a talent or passion for something. Thousands of people are willing to spend money on learning new skills and knowledge, whether for their own enjoyment, personal development, or to achieve some specific goal. The possibilities are endless. From makeup classes and writing workshops to art classes and cooking lessons. As long as you're good at something, you can teach it to someone else, in person or even online. If you're not quite sure what to offer, think about your hobbies and interests. Do you like to crochet or play the piano? If so, why not offer a class on either of those topics? It doesn't have to be complicated. Just show people how they can learn the basics by themselves. Not only will you be able to make some extra money doing something you enjoy, but you'll also be helping others learn something new and potentially develop a lifelong interest or skill. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your class today. Number 4. Job as an online mock juror. Earning extra cash by participating in online mock juries could be your perfect side job. If you are interested in law and justice, this is a great way to put your passion to good use. You'll help attorneys and legal teams test their cases by being an online mock juror in simulated trials. As a mock juror, you'll be paid to judge real-life cases and make decisions about everything you've heard. These cases are real but have been recreated for this purpose. The work is easy. Read the case documents and help out where needed. The opportunities for this type of work are quite broad. You may be asked to serve as an online mock juror in a case involving personal injury, medical malpractice, or product liability. You'll also see plenty of cases involving criminal law and family law. The attorneys who hire you will send you specific instructions on how they'd like the trial conducted. There's no need to worry about being qualified for this job. You just need to be honest and fair. No legal experience is necessary. Plus, you can work from anywhere and set your own hours. So, if you're looking for a side job that's flexible and fun, this might just be for you. Number 5. Sell used products. If you've got some cash to spare, buying and selling used cars can be a great way to earn a profit. The best place to start is with a reliable local car dealership that sells used cars. Selecting the right vehicle for resale is key. Something in good condition, but has room for improvement. Then fix it up and resell it for a higher price than you paid. To increase your chances of success, you'll need to research how much similar vehicles are selling for and what repairs or improvements you can make that will boost the resale value. This process can be applied to just about any retail product. Footwear, bags, phones, pretty much anything imaginable. Simply make your purchase at the lowest possible price and sell it for a profit. Number 6. Be an online writer. If you have a knack for writing, you can make a great living by creating content online. Many websites need people to convey their message through words. You can find opportunities to write for websites that cater to different niches and audiences. You could be a travel writer, an entertainment blogger, or even a food critic. The best thing about writing online is that you can do it from anywhere. You don't have to have a desk job or be stuck in an office for hours on end. You could travel the world and still make money by working remotely. If you are a writer, you should not let this chance slip through your fingers. The longer you're not taking action, the more money you're losing. Carrie Wilkerson. The bottom line is, if you want to earn more money, you can't sit around waiting for the perfect opportunity to come along and be handed to you on a silver platter. You have to take action. The world isn't going to stop moving while you try to catch up with it. There are many opportunities out there. You just have to make an effort to seize them. No matter how much time passes between now and when you decide to take action, remember this: nothing will happen unless you do something about it. If you've watched this far, we'll give you a bonus for wanting a better life. Take advantage of an opportunity. The law of supply and demand drives the world of business. Whenever a new opportunity opens up, it creates room for more suppliers to enter that market and take advantage of what opportunities are available there. Take the COVID-19 pandemic, for example. This opened up a huge demand for medical supplies. Entrepreneurs saw this as an opportunity and started producing and selling the supplies that were needed. The same goes for the internet. Demand for websites, apps, and other digital products has created a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs to develop and sell these things. So if you're not sure how to earn money, look around. There's always something that someone else needs, whether it's face masks, a hot dog cart on the street corner, or lemonade on a hot summer day. Whatever the circumstance, there are always opportunities. You just have to be on the lookout for them and take action to make the most of them. Now, it's not a question of if. It's now a question of when. When you're ready to make the big leap, it will happen. That's all for today. Ed Luck Steva.